In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Translate for PC full version. Before we get hands-on, a quick fact so nothing seems broken. Google Translate does not have a true standalone desktop program for Windows or Mac, so you will not find a setup file to install like other software. Instead, on a computer you normally use the web version, and with a small trick inside Google Chrome, we can turn that web version into an app-style window on your desktop that feels very close to a full program. Now that you know what to expect, open Google Chrome on your computer. Any recent version works fine. Look at the top and you should see the address bar and your usual bookmarks or extensions. If Chrome is open and you see your normal homepage or a blank tab, you are exactly where you need to be for this method, since everything happens inside this browser. From there, go to the Google Translate website. In the address bar at the top, type translate.google.com, then press enter. After a moment, the Google Translate page loads. You should see two main language boxes next to each other, with source language on the left and target language on the right. Above them, there are language names you can click, and below you may see a big text area and some icons for speaking or listening. When you see those two side-by-side boxes, you know you are on the correct page. Next up, move your attention to the very top right corner of the Chrome window. Click the three dots menu button. It may sit just under the window close button and shows as three small vertical dots. When you click it, a drop-down menu opens. This menu controls many Chrome features, and we will use it to create our desktop-style app. In that menu, look for the option called Cast, Save and Share, and click it. When you hover over it, an extra section appears to the side with several entries. Beginners sometimes click the wrong line here, so pause a moment and read carefully before you click. If you see options like Cast this tab or Send to your devices, those are not the ones we need. Keep your mouse on Cast, Save and Share until the full list opens. With that open, click on Install Page as App. This tells Chrome to package this specific site as its own window. Right after you click, a small pop-up appears in the middle of the screen. It usually shows the Google Translate name and icon and offers an Install button. This is your final confirmation that Chrome is ready to create the app like Shortcut. After that, click the Install button in that pop-up. As soon as you do, Chrome creates the app and opens Google Translate in a clean separate window, without the usual tabs or address bar. On Windows, you will also see a new shortcut in your Start menu, and often on the desktop. On Mac, it appears in your Applications list. From now on, you can open Google Translate directly like a regular program, and it will always load translate.google.com in this app-style window. You have now turned Google Translate into a desktop-like app on your PC using Google Chrome, giving you quick one-click access. If that helped you set up Translate on your computer, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple PC guides like this.